how to set up your brokerage account. Now, you're going to need a brokerage account to buy and sell stocks. And the good news is it only takes a few minutes to set up. Think of a brokerage account like your checking account. You use your checking account to buy goods and services. You might use your debit card or a check, but you have to have the checking account to buy those goods and services. A brokerage account allows you to buy and sell stocks. It's that simple. Now, here's what you're going to need. 1, address. 2, date of birth. 3, social security number. 4, employer name and address. Seriously, takes less time than eating a bowl of cereal. It's that easy. Now, here's a few pointers when you're filling out the application. An individual brokerage account is most common. 2, actively trading stocks is what I do most. ETFs, yes, once in a while. Options, yes, once in a while. Understand that you can always change your brokerage account at any time in the future, but actively trading stocks is what I do most. Now, definitely get a margin account over cash. This is non-negotiable, but I do not trade on leverage, and I do not recommend trading on leverage. The margin account, for a specific set of reasons, is better than a cash account. Doesn't mean you need to use the leverage. Number 4, fund the account. I recommend connecting it with your bank. Why? Because you should plan on being profitable. And when you make money in the market, you might want to move it back to your bank to buy a new car. All right? And so get it to the bank as quickly as possible when you decide you want to buy that new car. All right. So those are the pointers. Here's the top brokers that I recommend and why. Number 1, TD Ameritrade. Great broker for anyone. Intermediate, advanced, beginner, but best for beginners because their paper trading application called Paper Money gives you a virtual margin account. Virtual, all right? So paper money of $100,000. You can use that play money to learn my strategy. So you get my video lessons, you read the daily watch list, you take a look at the real-time alerts by text message and email, all right? Which are reminders of the video lessons. And you make paper trades while learning. If you become profitable that way, you'll have more confidence putting real money in the market. Number 2, E-Trade. Broker I use, all right? I think it's very similar to TD Ameritrade, but their E-Trade Pro software, free for active traders doing 30 trades a quarter, is by far the best trading software on the market. All right, number 3, Interactive Brokers. I have paying clients in over 65 countries. Sadly, TD Ameritrade and E-Trade are not offered in all of them. If this happens to be the case for you, don't worry. Interactive Brokers is an excellent third option. Keep in mind, I only recommend what I use. In other words, I have an account with all 3 of these brokers. If you have any questions, email me, jason@jasonbondpicks.com. That's how you set up a brokerage account. Less time than eating a bowl of cereal. Next time on Penny Stocks 101, how to make your very first stock trade. Get excited.